The American Society of Addiction Medicine, commonly referred to as ASAM, has worked to define levels of care within the treatment spectrum. The goal is to be able to provide the best possible outcomes for our patients. Riverside Behavioral Health Center currently offers inpatient detox services as well as an intensive outpatient program. These two services fall within the continuum of care for addiction treatment. The full continuum of care begins oftentimes with inpatient detox or residential services, followed by the partial hospital program, stepping down to intensive outpatient, and their outpatient or aftercare services. Treatment plans are developed for each individual regardless of where they are within the continuum to focus on specific goals and interventions to reach those goals. Oftentimes those seeking addiction treatment, but not always of course, they are in need of detoxification services. Riverside Behavioral Health Center offers detox services within our facility, and that provides 24-hour nursing care, staff around the clock to help support the patient. That's often the most restrictive environment, and that's the highest level of care through ASAM. Once an individual steps down from the partial hospital program, they're likely to step down to IOP, which is the intensive outpatient program. That program's offered 3 hours per day, typically 3 to 4 days per week. Incorporated within that is often a support system group so that loved ones are also able to participate in the individual's care. Upon completion of the intensive outpatient program, folks oftentimes step down to general outpatient services and then an aftercare program. Long-term sobriety is often achieved through the assistance of a 12-step community and a support system outside of treatment. We're so excited to have expanded our services at Riverside Behavioral Health Center to really see the success of our patients, those individuals stepping down from detox services into our intensive outpatient program have really begun to prove the success within the continuum of care. I'm Stacey Johnson, Vice President at Riverside Behavioral Health Center.